At your at your farewell, as you left the Supreme Court, you urged judges to be bold. You said, if those of us without with so much constitutional protection aren't bold, then who else will be? Do you believe the judges of the Supreme Court and the High Courts of India have been bold?
Well, they have been bold. There cannot be a uniform pattern to it. If you look at, I also mentioned in the context that we criticize the executive often, that they are not taking decisions. But the executive sometimes fears that they may not be hauled up for something a couple of years down their demitting office. Judiciary has this protection where you have a constitutional protection. And therefore, I think we should not hesitate in going by what we believe is correct. I have had reservations, and I've written on the bail issues, how it has to be tackled, why the Supreme Court is inundated with bail orders being challenged, where one-third of such cases almost are being interfered by us, though it's not our task really. So somewhere, when I used to lecture the judicial academies or the subordinate judges, I used to tell them, look, if grant of a bail, which is for consideration or improper, is not correct, then non-grant of bail for the correct reasons is also something which is dishonesty in the integrity sense. It is in the intellectual sense you do so. So we can't keep people in substitution of conviction behind bars as under trials for long, which is a large number of cases. So we have to do it, and high courts are constitutional courts. So I keep talking when I talk in privately to them that these cases should not come up before us, because these should be capable of being tackled at the high court level. I think some discussion must go on this process, so that the highest court is not inundated with bail matters. I mean, each bench takes every day bail matters to deal with the volume numbers. This is not the Supreme Court's job, strictly speaking, but we can't let go, because the freedom of an individual is a very important part of our constitutional scheme. So if we really feel perturbed, and obviously the court as an institution, by the percentage of his interference, has shown that there is something to be desired.